Hello viewers, welcome to SC News Channel Madhya Pradesh. Today we are here in Baitul. That there is a great exhibition take place under the guidance of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj on the occasion of Kabir Sahib Prakat Divas. To see here, so many people are gathered to see this exhibition. So let's explore this exhibition and talk with organizer and visitors how they have feel while looking this exhibition. Let's explore. Viewers, let's connect with one of the visitors and know about what all these scenes are telling us. Hello sir,
Sastaib ji,
what's your name?
my name is Kuldeep Das.
Where are you from?
I am from MP.
Sir, tell the viewers that what all these scenes are telling.
Firstly, what's happened? The one biggest incident happens. That was what happened. The Kabir Sahib appeared on the flower in the lotus. That was the name was the Leher Tara in the pond. There was a sant who was sitting there. Every day, what did he used to do? He used to sit there to meditate to God. On that day, what happened? Suddenly the one biggest light come very fastly and go into the lotus flower. So on that time, the astronaut, what does he see? He watched that there is one biggest light in the form of the sun, and this all incident happened. Niru and Anima regularly they used to go there to bath, and on that the one special things happens with them. What was that? That when they started to bath, then what did they see in the lotus flower? There was a small child who was crying in the lotus. Then having seen them, they brought up and carry in a house.
Sir, was there any evidence of this incident?
This evidence in Kabir Sagar, there is a written that शिव उतरे शिवपुरी से अवगत बदन विनोद मैके कमल खुशी हुए लिया इसको गोद. That was written in that Kabir Sagar.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.
So viewers, now we are here as we see many people are sitting here and they are reading our holy scriptures. Now we have to connect one of them and talking about our scriptures. Hello sir,
Namaste,
what's your name?
Abhishek Das.
Sir, where are you from?
I am from Vidisha district, MP.
My question is that the followers of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj has claimed that Kabir Sahib is supreme God. So how they claim that they are supreme God as the people know he is only a poet or a sant?
It's a great question. Actually, are all जो हमारे रिलीजन्स हैं और जितने भी हमारे सारे जो क्या बोलते हैं शास्त्र हैं, all our holy books are saying that the Kabir is God and God is not formless. And all our Christians brothers and sisters, they also believe that God is formless. But here is the evidence. Actually, we have holy book Bible, Pavitra Bible, and it says that God is not formless. God has his own image. God is male, and we have proof here. And the same philosophy followed by Islamist people, Islamist brother and sisters, they also believe that God or Allah is formless.
Sir, can you show that proof?
Yes, we can show here. So you can see here that this is the Bible, holy book, and which followed by all the Christians. So it's a Pavitra Bible, and here is the evidence. It's a page number 3, and it's a Hindi edition actually. So here is the proof. So I am just reading it. So you can just shoot it. It's a verse number 26, Genesis 1st, verse number 26. फिर परमेश्वर ने कहा, हम मनुष्य को अपने स्वरूप के अनुसार अपनी समानता में बनाएं. God is saying that he has his own image, and God is also saying that we will make people as our image. So this is the proof. Actually, this is the first proof, and then next proof here. तब परमेश्वर ने कहा, मनुष्य को हम अपने स्वरूप के अनुसार उत्पन्न किया, अपने ही स्वरूप के अनुसार परमेश्वर ने उसको उत्पन्न किया. That God made us. God made human beings in his own image. So how can a God is formless?
Sir, my question is who is that God? Who is that one God? Who is that supreme God?
The proof is that who is God is in Quran Sharif, and both are followed by Ibrahim philosophist, Prophet Ibrahim, and these are written by all these philosophies followed by Ibrahim. So here the proof, Quran Sharif, which said that Kabir is God. So here is the proof. This is Surat Furqani 25, Ayat 52. And this is written evidence that Fala tutiyal kafiran ba jahidam bid jihadan kabiran. This is the name of God. Kabir is God. Here is the Hindi translation. तो ए पैगंबर तुम काफिरों का कहा ना मानना और इस कुरान की दलीलों से उनका सामना बड़े ज़ोर से करो. Here is the proof that Kabir is God, but they have written here बड़े ज़ोर से करो. There is no sense to saying this that बड़े ज़ोर से करो. Kabir has its own name. It's a God name because Quran Sharif is saying that all the evidences of God, that God, all the activities done by God. So here is the proof that He made the world in 6 days and 7th days He took rest. So here is the proof. और ए पैगंबर उस जिंदा पर भरोसा रखो जो कभी मरने वाला नहीं है. He will be always alive, है ना. He is immortal. And उसकी तारीफ़ के साथ पाकी बयान करते रहो और अपने बंदों के गुनाहों से वह काफ़ी खबरदार है. जिसने आसमान और ज़मीन और जो कुछ उनके बीच है सब 6 दिन में पैदा किया, फिर तख्त पर जा बिराजा. If he can sit there, it means he has a form. So here is the proof that God is not formless. God has its own form, but we can't see why. Actually, it's a proof in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. गीता अध्याय 7 श्लोक 11. Here is Brahm saying that अपनी योग माया से छिपा हुआ मैं सबके प्रत्यक्ष नहीं होता हूँ. It means we can't see him without his own permission. So this is the proof.
From where you gaining all these knowledges?
Sir, actually I've been watching Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Satsang since 2 years, and where he always show evidences of the religions and their messages of Shastra or all the holy books, where there is a written evidence of that who is God and who we should have to worship. So this is what they always show in their satsang.
Sir, any message for viewers?
Actually, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj always says that जीव हमारी जाति है, मानव धर्म हमारा, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई धर्म नहीं कोई न्यारा. It means that living being is our race and mankind is the greatest religion ever existed on the earth. And Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christian, there is no separate religion. So this is the message of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Amisha
Where are you from?
Vidisha, and
Ma'am, my question is this: what's bring you to here in this exhibition?
I came here to learn more about Kabir Sahib.
Would you suggest others for this exhibition?
Yes, definitely. Everyone should come and explore the exhibition.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
So viewers, as we can see, this exhibition is not just a visual experience but a spiritual journey that highlight the truth of Kabir Sahib as the supreme God. This is Mohit Kaurav. Thank you so much for watching our video.